guys, welcome back to my channel. Say hi! For today's vlog, we're gonna show you how we're gonna spend our youth retreat. So this is gonna be our camping, but it's gonna be a glamping because we're gonna stay in the house, not in the tent. So let me let me give you a tour. So without further ado, let's go to the video. So right now we drove from Toronto here to Windsor, maybe like less than 4 hours. So this is Ashel and Vina. Sigma. Say hi, our photographer, videographer. So he will learn how to do the drone. Yes. So this is my droney. So I'll show him how to do that later. There you go. This is the other car. Tito Mark's car. Say hi, Tita, the host. Say hi to my vlog. Hi. What location is this? It's Windsor, right?
Yeah, no, Kingsville.
Kingsville.
Windsor is like 30 minutes away.
Ah, okay. Yeah. We're here in Kingsville. So that's Tito Matthew. This is Tangga. Say hi.
Ano?
This is Billy.
Ano?
Hi, Nanay. Bless mo, Nay. Say hi, Nay, to vlog. Hi. So, ito yung, this is their barn. So, that's gonna be our food. And this is Tita She. Say hi, Tita She, to my vlog. Say hi, Tito Toto.
Hi.
So, they're fixing the foods and stuff. Hi, guys. So, they have paddle boards. So, that's so good. They have vests. And then that's their house. And then if you go here on this side, they have a park place, and then there's like a farm, a little farm there, and they have electric car. I know Mama wants this type of car. So that's Tito Mark over there. Tito Mark, say hi to the vlog. Hi.
Look, this is my farm.
Oh wow, this is your farm.
It's almost ready for harvest.
Oh, what is this? A rice?
No, it's
Corn?
wheat.
Oh, wheat? Ano yun? There you go.
Oatmeals, mga
Ah, yeah. There you go. Mukha nga, parang kinuha to ni Tito sa ano, conjuwang.
Thank you.
$5. I'll be the lifeguard. You drown? Get the noodles.
Right about there. It goes down to 5 feet.
Can we do the kayak here?
It's right there. You
Paddle
right
board,
to the ladder,
please.
it's 2 feet, okay?
Hi guys! Hey guys! Ako sa likod.
His love is everlasting, and His mercy they will never end. God is good all the time. He put a song of praise in this heart of mine. God is good all the time. Through the darkest night, His light will shine. God is good. God is good. God is good. God is good. He's so good. He's so good all the time. All the time, He's so good.
Jesus left there and went to his hometown, accompanied by his disciples. When the Sabbath came, he began to teach in the synagogue, and many who heard him were amazed.
So this is our day 2, but basically the first day of the retreat. We're gonna cook. Pakita naman.
Hi, good morning.
So, oh, this is how it feels to be in the countryside. I'm still sleepy, but it's okay. Actually, I don't have voice. You know why? Because going here for 4 hours, we've been like singing along. And then it's cold in the basement, but it's good. So for today's itinerary, we're just going to some places after the devotions. So, let's go. Tayo kaso nakalimutan ko. Napanood mo na yan? Maganda na daw.
At least nagkaroon ng rice cooker ng beauty mystery. Project pala. Meron na doon.
Ayun, tamis.
Tamis?
Mm-mm.
Ay, tamis inubos mo. Ano mo na iwan?
What are we having?
We have bacon. I feel like I'm allergic to egg, but I'm not. We have egg.
Mm-hmm.
Fish. I can't eat that.
Tuyo, we have fried fish, hot dogs, and bacon.
And rice. Okay, yes, cool. Hi.
Happy life.
Happy life.
Tuyo. Tito, say hi.
You can share the
So right now, we're gonna go to a museum. And I don't know what museum is this, so let's go. That's them.
Hi.
There you go. Okay, 1, 2. Show it to them. That's real. Oh no.
Scout.
skiing. Ay, ano na siya? Ang buo pa rin na siya.
So now we're gonna ride a cable
think
car.
we can-
I don't know what is it
At I
called.
were good at the back.
Are we gonna fit? It's like this.
Slow mo. Kiss naman daw, kiss. Mwah! Sana all! Asang bayakin? Lumayo. Kapit lang, kapit. Kapit sa tadhana.
3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Oy, cheater! Come here! Oh, issue!
Go, pagkalan mo.
Wait,
Ba't hindi sabay?
Ay, sabay din!
Ano ba?
Naduduling ako.
Naduduling!
Naduduling na. Matatalo tayo.
Hindi pa tapos ka nanay! Sa side yan, sa side. Ah, may isa pa siya.
Magnanay po.
One, two, three, go.
Five pa na pa.
1, 2, 3. Tapos shaking. Tapos, again, tapos, yan ang last natin. Yan ang last. Pag-shake mo.
Magmanood ka to.
Ayan!
Ang nagawin ko pa kami yun.
Oh, sige. Yeah, see?
Ano ko ang silat? Gusto makita pa niyo.
Ayusin nyo!
Oo nga. Nanonood lang. Tayo lang naman ang nanonood. Ano ba yan to? Hindi ka makasalo lang. Hindi ka makapalo ng bulat. Bye!